Na hi guys.
Hi guys.
Na I'm eating
Noodles.
noodles. No, you say I'm eating spaghetti.
No,
Eat spaghetti and juice and brownies. Mama lang anong brownies. You say thank you Ate Yuna's classmate. Sa Ate Yuna's ko ano yun na? Rox. Birthday. Ate Yuna's classmate's birthday. Yummy? Later na na ang cellphone. Oy, is it yummy? Very good. Okay, you drink juice. Oh, ikat na lang na mo kay giwagtang sa ati ang straw. Mainom lagi na siya. Si Yuna ba kay digid mo tila og mga juice na kuan. Si Rox. Okay tanan oy. Okay. Yummy spaghetti. Okay, small bite. Yummy. Yun na, that's your second classmates. Yun na nag-birthday sa school. Yun na, right? First, first was the boy, Kenzo. And now it's Yana's birthday.
Yana.
Yeah, her name is Yana, right?
Yana.
Yana.
No, Yana.
Oh, Yana. I like Yuna.
No, it's like
Okay,
Yana.
Rox.
It's like Yana.
Later na mag-cellphone lagi.
Yana.